What's up, guys? Got a few requests with people wondering what's in the Vanquish Phoenix of mine. It's actually a very, very, very basic setup, and I'm going to be running this in the Sorrca Lite Stock Class, which you could do tires, wheels, shocks. You can move the battery, simple stuff. So as you see, stock body. Took off the back panels. Yeah, I think it's a little bit lighter. Underneath it is very, very, very basic setup. So I'm running a PowerHobby brushed motor, because you have to run a brushed motor in the stock class. So I think it's a 13 turn 540 motor. Running a Castle Micro X with a Castle BDC, Traxxas radio, running a PowerHobby 345 LP servo, I think on 2S, on 8.4 volts. It makes almost 500 ounces of torque. Running the PowerHobby 540 winch, which makes 500 ounces of torque also. My shock setup is my favorite. Desert Lizards, 90mm front and rear. It's set up in full droop with the longest, softest spring, 30 weight oil, and the stock 4-hole piston. Still testing it out. I think I'm gonna go stiffer on it a little bit. My PowerHobby tires, we're still testing these. You can see they're breaking in real nice. Stock wheels still. Pretty much everything else is stock on it. You're wondering, where's my battery? So right now I'm double siding it tape here. It's a 3S PowerHobby, I think a 1500. Sorrca Lite rules with the stock class states that you can move the battery, so I moved it from back here to here. I'm gonna be making a little tray. For the dig, I locked it because I don't think you could have that in the stock class. For the overdrive, I locked it in 33%. Again, I don't think you could have a servo control of that. I'm not too sure, because this is a very unique truck. Yeah, and I think that's it. The gearing, I'm using a stock spur with a, I think a 9-2 pinion. So it's probably really, really, really slow. Yeah, that's it. It's a very basic setup. And you know, it does very good for no weights in the wheels, no heavy wheels or nothing, no brass knuckles. Yeah, it's very, as you can see, it's a very basic truck. Yeah, so just my main goal with this was, for the stock class, just follow the rules and just move everything up front. Kind of adds weight to the front without adding weight. Yeah, very basic, simple truck. Oh yeah, I have no interior because I ran out of paint. Well, I didn't even have paint to paint it, so it's been out. But yeah, it's a very basic setup, as you can see. It's pretty much stock. Yeah, don't mind my great paint job. I'm horrible with paint.